I'm Craig Bollman, Director of Sales and Marketing here at the Radisson Hotel Pittsburgh Greentree. Started here a little over 3 years ago and walked into a hotel that really did not have a plan for IT. We tried doing some outsourcing with some other companies, which will remain nameless, that it didn't solve the issue. In my previous property, had worked with Leo and Simplify It, and we realized that there were some definite efficiencies that could be achieved by bringing Leo on board with the property. And they understand that everything comes with a budget, and that things need to make sense, and initial costs, and how money is put out there, and how it'll more or less stretch itself out over a number of years, and basically show the return on the investment. Simplify is fantastic at making that happen, and is a very clear communicator in how that happens. And they're not always looking to get the dollar out of you. They're looking to match your needs with the budget you're coming to them with. We're looking to get the most out of the dollar, and the ability to show that the technology that's going to be used is not only gonna be good for today, but the stretch down the line 6 years out, we're still going to be in a growth capability at that point and get the most for our dollar. The other side of it is response time. IT can cripple any business, and it's no different in hotels. I mean, we're 365, 24 hours a day, and if you don't have quick response time to an issue, you're losing revenue, and that's not the best business model. So response time is one of the biggest keys to saying Simplify It is definitely the choice that should be made. I'd absolutely recommend Simplify It. I think one of the biggest points that needs to be discussed is that this IT world, a lot of people don't speak the jargon or the terminology, and don't quite understand, even though they've been explained a process 2 and 3 times. They don't know what's actually happening. And Simplify It has this ability to turn it into layman's terms, where you actually understand why and what is going on in the IT world. And that's not an easy task. I think it's one of the biggest pluses that Simplify It has, is the ability to show the layperson, how things are going to happen, and that person understands it.